What's up, my friends? A rare appearance on camera on this channel. I don't get on there very much. I usually am just showing a scene of my bike running or a cool bike running, that kind of thing. But I have gotten some questions of what do I do? Well, my friends, I full-time work for a Harley-Davidson dealership, and I have been the marketing director and manager for the past 13 years. So that is what I do. I take pictures of bikes, I do video walkthroughs of motorcycles, I handle social media, I handle our website, I do all those kind of things. This is my office. I have probably one of the greatest offices out there. And for side stuff, if you will, I have the privilege and honor of being an invited photographer to the incredible Mama Tried show in Milwaukee. I also have been invited out to the Harley Homecomings, and I have been invited to several of the Fuel Clevelands, which I am bummed to say that they are not doing those anymore. I really do hope that they're able to bring the Fuel Clevelands back because they are amazing. But I figure I would give you just a brief walkthrough of my office, and you can see some of my photography. If you'd like to see more of my photography, you can go to Christopher David Photography on Instagram, and you can see all my stuff. Anyways, quick little walkthrough of my office. So, of course, I mean, you gotta have an original Ozzy Osbourne Bark at the Moon lunchbox. I do have a lot of my photos hanging in the office. This was shot at Fuel Cleveland. This was shot at Sasha's Cycles in Sturgis. Sasha is one of the coolest people on the face of the planet. Desk. Some more of my photos. Some more from Sasha's place. This is from Mama Tried. Flat Out Friday. I've got a little ruckus sitting up in my office. This was my wife's. She never wrote it, so I decided to bring it up here, and it's kind of how I commute between the buildings, and when we have events, zoom around with my camera on this thing. It's just stupid fun. A few more photos, and then my office. You walk through my office, and you end up into our used showroom lot. And then, yes, you all have seen, of course, the shovel head. This is going to be going home hopefully this weekend. I just got to get some new bushings into the trees here, and that will be good. Yes, I have a Frisbee golf basket in my office. Some more photos. I have a nice little lounge area for when people want to come in and just chill, look at the art, have a nice place to sit and chill. And here is kind of just the wide view of my office. So yes, for those of you wondering, full-time, that is what I do full-time. And I just like making these YouTube videos. Love everything about motorcycles, especially Harleys, especially vintage Harleys. So if you dig that kind of stuff, please subscribe to the channel. You know, hang out for a while. There's going to be a ton of videos coming soon with riding season. Lots on the shovel, lots on the 03 Fat Boy, and many, many more to come. As always, thanks so much for checking out my channel. I do truly appreciate it.